morning everyone! Welcome to my vlog. And today we're at Landers! Yay! Costco of Philippines. Okay? So today, ano bibili natin? Hey, Abby, what do you want to buy? Chips. Coconut drink daw. Look for daddy's coconut drink. Let's go. Abby, let's go here. Is there a food? I want to sit down and drink. Meron ba ditong kainan? Pwedeng uminom? Nauho na ako. So this is my view. It's just like Costco. Here, food. Let's avoid crime. Oh, Nutella! Ayun o!
Is that a bucket?
That's a bucket of Nutella.
Get a bucket.
Meron na kayong kape. So, it's okay. You have creamer, Cappuccino. We have that at Costco. Kopi ko. What, where?
Arroz caldo.
Samporado, paborito ni Abby. We have those. I brought those. Pistachio. Ito, chips. Anyone wants chips? Who wants chips? Ayan, bigyan mo sila anak ko. Chips. Ruffles. Oh, look at the boy bawang. It's so big. Oh, but I think I saw that nasa.
Can't eat that anymore.
Why not? Because what? Ayan o, milk. Buy 2, save 10. Ito oh. Gusto nyo to? Oh, what's this? Shrimp chips. Wasabi. Wild shrimp. How much is this? Let's try this. Nalaglag. Naku, iinom pa naman ako. Uhaw na ako. Either Summit or Absolute. Ito, Nature Spring. Or actually, Absolute na lang. Ay, distilled yan eh. Ito na lang. So this is the family bonding. Is going to the groceries together. Ayan, ate, are you happy? Oh my God, BTS! I want that drink. Let's go. Kaya lang may gatas, hindi ako pwede na may gatas. So, anong healthy food ang balak mong bilhin today?
Vegetables.
Vegetables. Okay, so then we have to go to the vegetable section. Para alam natin kung anong cart ang pinakamahal. Yan. 11 something. Oh, paborito ko din to. Ate, pakibayaran mo nga muna yan. Wala bang katapusan? Wala bang katapusan yan? Hindi pa tapos. Tagal ah. Miss, di ba pagka 50, libre na yung sobra?